So we have 5 sources at the moment that we make our money in. The first is flipping, which is just like real estate. Buy low, sell high. It's really obvious. It's not rocket science. The next is brokering high-value guitars. These are vintage guitars that sometimes sell up to $50,000. There's some that go for a couple $100,000, but I don't mess with that because I don't know enough. I don't feel comfortable selling those or brokering them. People just pay us a small fee to access our network, basically. Next are custom community guitar runs, which is what I just talked about. These are the custom runs we set up for community with manufacturers. That's by far our most profitable method of monetizing because it tends to go viral, and I'll show you how that happens. Next are government contracts. This is kind of weird. I'll save it for a bit later. You'll all probably laugh at this. I stole the idea from an arms dealer. I'll tell you about that too. It was really crazy. It's probably one of the weirdest things I've done. Next is advertisements. These are really straightforward. Just any sort of content-based site or Facebook page, they all tend to they tend to rely solely on advertisements, but I'll go over how we advertise. It's relatively straightforward.